Good morning everybody. This week, school assembly is conducted by the students of Plus One Commerce. Myself, Mr. Anand, class teacher of Plus One Commerce. Dear students, I am here with a beautiful message for today. Life is so short. We spend much of our time in sweating the small stuff like worrying, compiling, comparing, wishing, wondering and waiting for something bigger and better instead of focusing on all the blessings or simple things that is surrounded by us. Dear students, do you know that life is so fragile and all it takes is a single moment to change everything in our life. So focus on what is important to you. You take it for granted. This makes life beautiful. So my dear students, focus on what is very important to you. Dear students, you are blessed. Believe in it. Live your life and leave no regrets. With this short message, I conclude my speech. Once again, I take this opportunity to wish you our success in this academic year. Thank you, dear students.
We always think of a better tomorrow. But when tomorrow comes, instead of enjoying, we again think of a better tomorrow. Instead, let's have a better today. Good morning to one and all. We, the students of Plus One Commerce, are here to conduct today's assembly. Myself, Preeti, here to host. So let's start our day with a beautiful prayer song by Franco. Now, let's take pledge with Bharat.
Good morning to all. Kindly stand in pledge position. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and varied it. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Great wealth, like a coward at a concert, gathers and mends. Here we have Tangapandi with the Tirukural.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இன்றைய திருக்குறள் அதிகாரம் எண் 13 பொறை இடைமை. மிகுதியால் மிக்கவை செய்தாரே தாம் தாம் தகுதியால் வென்றுவிடல். மிகுதியால் மிக்கவை செய்தாரே தாம் தாம் தகுதியால் வென்றுவிடல். பொருள்: செருக்கினால் துன்பம் தந்தவரை நம்முடைய பொறுமையால் வெல்ல வேண்டும். செருக்கினால் துன்பம் தந்தவரை நம்முடைய பொறுமையால் வெல்ல வேண்டும். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Next we have Preeti T with an inspirational quote.
Good morning to one and all present here. Thought for the day. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck.
Next, we have Rejoice to say some points about Olympics.
Good morning, friends. Today I am going to say a few words about Olympics. Olympic Day is celebrated every year on 23rd June. Olympic Day began on 23rd June 1948. The first Olympic Games were played on 23rd June 1894 in Paris, Sorbonne, and the commemoration of the International Olympic Day is celebrated on 23rd June every year. The Olympic is the largest sports event in the world. More than 200 countries take part in it. The Olympic Games are organized by the International Sports Committee every 4 years. The Olympic Game is the most prestigious sports event in the world. Winning medals in the Olympic Games is the very proud moment of any country. Today's time, Olympic Day has become more than international effort rather than a just celebration. This game promotes the right game, respect for each other. The spirit speaks sportsmanship. India so far away won 9 gold medals, 7 silver medals, and 12 bronze medals. Total 28 medals in 31 Olympic Games. The 5 athletes who have qualified for the Tokyo Olympics: Ashoka Raju, Dhanlakshmi Shekhar, Kavita Veeramani, and Shubha Venkatesan. These are the qualified players for the Tokyo Olympics. Thank you.
Next, we have Genisha Sri with a speech about humanities.
A very pleasant good morning to all, respected sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I'm here to present my speech on the topic humanity. Humanity means helping and caring for others. Among so many species, human beings have the capacity to show love and care and to help others. Humanity means forgetting your own interests when someone needs your assistance. Mother Teresa is a perfect example who thought about humanity and worked for it. Not all human beings can portray humanity. Humanity is the most important religion. Humanity can simply be defined as the quality of being human. It is a peculiar nature of a man by which he is being distinguished from other beings. Not all human beings can portray humanity. Only human beings have the power to comprehend humanity. We don't need a lot of money for humanitarian tasks. Giving a glass of water to a thirsty man and helping someone to cross the road is also a humanitarian task. Being human is our first identity, so we must comprehend humanity in our day-to-day lives as it's a reason behind our existence. Thank you.
In order to be free, you have to be brave. Freedom and bravery, there is a reason we sing of them in our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।